So today, we will remove elements from an array. In this example, we have fruits array with 5 elements on it. In order to remove the element at the end of an array, we can use the pop method. It is opposite of the push method we used in the previous session. Likewise, if we need to remove the element at the beginning of an array, we can use the shift method. Again, it is opposite of the onShift method we used in the previous session. Let's check them in action. In script.js, we have fruits array with 5 elements on it. Let's log them in console, so I will use console.log fruits. Let me also log another message, so I will use console.log, and the message is there are fruits.length in the array. If we check the preview, we can see 5 elements in our array, and we can also see the message there are 5 fruits in the array. If you want to remove the last element of an array, we can use the pop method. So let me use fruits.pop. If you check the preview, the last element has been removed and the message has been updated to there are 4 fruits in the array. Likewise, if you want to remove the first element of an array, we can use the shift method. So let's use fruits.shift. If you check the preview, the first element has been removed and the message has been updated to there are 3 fruits in the array. It is also possible to store the value of this method. For example, let me create a variable strawberry and assign them to fruits.pop. Now, if you log them in console, you should see strawberry in the console. Likewise, let's create another variable apple and assign them to fruits.shift. And again, if you log them in console, you should see apple in the console. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will work on the spread operator. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.